Right here, I'm cleaning my shoestrings. I usually put bleach in them, but these shoestrings are not white, so I don't. That's what it looked like from the bottom. These are my work. I had to work in these shoestrings, so they kind of dirty and they stained. I still don't know if it's gonna come off because it got sealer on them, as you can see. But this is how I clean them. Let them sit in there for maybe about 3 days. As you can see, look at the dirt coming out the shoestrings. See the dirt coming out of there? Look how dirty the water is now. And I still gotta let it sit in there for like 2 days. This is how I clean my shoestrings. This is only dish detergent and hand soap. Wow, real dirty. And from the top, that's what it looks like. Real soapy. What I do, I get them all soaked. And as you can see the difference of the water already dirty. And that's how you clean your shoestrings. Let it sit for like 2 days. And if it's white shoestrings, you mix it with bleach. Wow, look at the dirt. Mix it with bleach and you'll see the difference, definitely. Thanks for tuning in.